Hello, and welcome back to our series all about Wix invoices and price quotes. Today, we're going to learn how you can create a price quote. Send professional quotes to your customers or clients listing relevant charges, applicable taxes, and or discounts, as well as essential notes or terms. Here's how you can do it. On your site's dashboard, go to Getting Paid and go to Price Quotes. If it's your first time, click on Create Price Quote. Otherwise, you can immediately see this on your screen. Now let's start creating a price quote. Click Plus New Quote here at the top, then input your price quote's title. Next, select the customer you're creating this price quote for. If it's a new customer, click on New Customer here, input that customer's details, review everything before clicking on Save. Next, set the expiration date and the payment terms. Then, work on your quote details. Add the services or products you're charging this specific customer for. Input the quantity, and if you want to add tax, you can go ahead and add it. And if you'd like to add more products or services, click on Add Line Item over here and add another service or product. Once you're done with the quote details, move on to the bottom and optionally you can add additional info, such as your notes and your terms. Once you're done, review your price quote from top to bottom. And once everything's okay, you can then use the options here according to what you want to do with your price quote. So you can save it as a draft or you can preview and share it. So once you preview it, this is how it's going to look like. And once you're ready, you can go ahead and click on send and then click on send email to confirm. And that's it. That's how you create a price quote in Wix. We hope you found this video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.